Yes, children, now listen to me. Whatever I'll write, you have to copy all that, okay? You have to copy all those examples and notebook. Sorry, all those examples in your notebook, right? Okay, children. Now, and you have to write down this in your notebook. And your handwriting should be neat and clean, right? Now, you have to add a 2-digit number with a 1-digit number with carry over. With carry over. Children, this is just a quick recap of what we did on Saturday. Okay, so write down this first bit. You have to add the number 82 plus 5. See, children, again I'll repeat that this plus symbol means addition. This plus symbol means, you all can see between this 82 and this 5 there is a symbol. This is known as plus symbol. Okay, plus means when you add something, or when you join something. Okay, when you add something, when you join something, when you combine something. Okay, at that time you will use this plus symbol. So plus symbol is used to add two numbers or more than two numbers, right? So what you have to do is, first you need to segregate these numbers in ones and tens. Okay, after that you will do the addition. Okay, children, just look on your screen. Your math notebook looks like this now. So just copy the question first. First we have to see what do we have in ones place and what do we have in tens place. Okay, now if we talk about the number 82, in ones place we have 2 and in tens place we have 8. Fine, so I will write here ones and tens. Children, always remember this O stands for ones and this T stands for tens. Okay, so in number 82, in ones place we have 2, so below this ones we will write 2, right? And in tens place we have 8, so we will write 8 here below this T. Fine, now after plus sign we have 5, and we know that if there is only one digit, this means that number is in ones place. This number is in ones place. So in ones place we will write here 5. We will write here 5. Okay, then you just need to put a plus sign here. And now you have to first add the number in ones place. You need to add the number in ones place. Okay, so in ones place what do we have? We have 2 and 5. We have 2 and 5. So what we will do, we will start counting after 2 and then we will take out 5 fingers. You all can see the down number is 5 here. So what you will do, you will start counting after 2. You will take out your 5 fingers and then you will count. Okay, so Aditya Ram, you tell me 2 plus 5 is how much?
2 plus 5 is 7.
Start counting after 2, Aditya Ram, and tell me 2 plus 5 is how much? Take out 5 fingers. Aditya Ram, show me your 5 fingers.
4.
Yes. Yes. Tell after 2. Yes, start. I can see.
3. 3,
Very
4,
good. Yes.
5, 6, 7.
Very good, Aditya Ram. 2 plus 5 is 7. And in tens place, what do we have, Aditya Ram?
In tens plus 8.
8. And below 8, there is no number. So we will write down this 8 as it is. So the number is 8787. Okay. Write down this in your notebook, children. Write down this in your notebook. So the number is 8787. Okay. Is there anyone who is still writing? You can raise your hand. If there is anyone who is still writing, you can raise your hand. Aliza, write fast. Come on. Okay, Hanvika, you also write down fast. Yes, I hope till now you all have completed this much. So now I am clearing this all. Okay. So now one more question we will do. Bit number B. You have to add number 75 and 6. So the question is 75 plus 6. 75 plus 6. Write it down fast, children. Okay. Now again see, look on your screen. And children, you don't need to draw these boxes, okay? I am drawing this just to tell you how your math notebook looks like. Okay? So now see here, children. If we talk about the number 75, yes, if we talk about the number 75, in ones place we have 5 and in tens place we have 7. Okay? So here below this T we will write 7 and below this O, which stands for ones, we will write 5. We will write 5. Now after this plus sign we have 6 here, and 6 is a one digit number, and I have told you that a one digit number has a number in ones place. Okay, so we will write this 6 in ones place and then we will put a plus sign. We will put a plus sign here. Okay, Aditya Ram, look on your screen. Write down the question quickly. Okay, Lohit, unmute yourself. Yes, Lohit, you tell me now. We will add the number in ones place. We always start by adding the number in ones place. In ones place, what are the numbers? 5 and
5.
5 and what is the next number, Lohit?
7.
No, below this 5, what is the number?
6.
6. So you have to add number 5 and 6. Lohit, show me your 6 fingers. Yes. So what you will do is you will start counting after 5. Start counting after 5.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11. So see here, children, your answer, if you will add 5 plus 6, you will get 11. But what you will do then? You will see that what do we have in ones place and what do we have in tens place. Now, if we talk about the number 11, in ones place we have 1. So what we will do? We will write here 1. And in tens place, what do we have? One more 1. So what we will do? This 1 will go as carry forward or carry over. Carry over. Okay, so we will write this 1 as carry over above this T. Right? Now we have to add the number in tens place. Now we have to add the number in tens place. Aliza, you tell me in tens place. What do we have? What are the numbers in tens place, Aliza?
1.
1 and
1.
1 and Aliza, look on your screen. 1 is there as carry over and below that T, what is the number, Aliza? What is this number?
7.
So now we will add 1 plus 7. Tell me, Aliza, 1 plus 7 is how much? Alisa, take out your 7 fingers and start counting after 1. Tell me fast.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes, so 1 plus 7 is 8. So we will write here 8. Write down, children, in your notebooks. Write it down fast. So the answer is 8181. Okay. Is there anyone who is still writing? You can raise your hand. Yes, Aniksai, tell me. Aniksai, tell me what happened. Yes. Anik, you were raising your hand. Tell me what happened.
It's 7, though upside it's 7.
Anik, see here. If you will see carefully on your screen, above this T, T stands for tens. T stands for tens. And above this T, we have 1 here. Okay.
Yeah.
And below this T, we have here 7. So this 1 and 7 is at tens place. So we will add this 1 and 7 now. Okay, Anik. And this 1 plus 7 is 8. 1 plus 7 is 8. Okay.
8. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children. Now I'll clear this one. Fine. Now, okay, now our new topic is you have to add a 2-digit number with a 2-digit number. Okay, so you have to add two digits number. Let's say, for example, we have 26 plus 13. Children, keep on writing this question in your notebook. We have 26 plus 13. Write down this question in your notebook, children. You have to add the number 26 and 13. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So now what you will do is, again, you have to find out which number is in ones place and which number is in tens place. So see here, if we talk about the number 26, first number is 26, children. So if we talk about the number 26, in ones place we have 6. So we will write here 6 first in ones place. Look on your screen, everyone. And in tens place we have 2. So we will write here 2. Now after this plus sign, what do we have? We have here number 13. 1, 3, 13. Okay, so what we will do, again we will see in ones place, what do we have? We have 3 here. So below this 6, we will write 3 in ones place. Now see here, if we talk about the number 13, in tens place we have here 1. So below this 2, we will write here 1 in tens place, and then we will put a plus sign. We will put a plus sign here. Yes, Akshaj?
Ma'am,
Yes.
are you just teaching us an example?
Yeah, but you need
Is
to write
this
it
an
down.
example, ma'am?
It's an example, but you need to write it down in your notebook. Children, you have to write down this
Okay,
question in your
ma'am.
notebook. Yes. Children, write down this in your notebook also. Akshad, you are not writing, I can see. Write it down fast, okay? Yes, children. Okay, so this is how you will write a 2-digit number. Fine. So now again, what we will do? We will start. Yes, Aryan.
Ma'am, we need to draw these boxes.
No need to draw these boxes. I am drawing these boxes just to tell you how you have to write it down in your math notebook, because in your math notebook there are boxes, right? So no need to draw these boxes. You just need to write down the digits. Write down the numbers only. Okay? Yeah. Okay, children. So what we will do is our first step is we will first add the number in ones place. In ones place, again I'm repeating that this O stands for ones. O stands for ones and this T stands for tens. So now here in ones place, what do we have? We have here 6 and 3. 6 and 3. Supratik, you tell me 6 plus 3 is how much? Supratik, tell me 6 plus 3 is how much? Supratik,
9.
very good, very good. 6 plus 3 is 9. So write down 9, children. And Supratik, tell me 2 plus 1 is how much? In tens place, we have 2 and 1. Tell me 2 plus 1 is how much, Supratik? Yes, Supratik, please unmute yourself and tell me 2 plus 1 is how much? After 2, count 1.
3.
Very good. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So write down 3 in tens place, children. Anik, Sai, you are not looking on your screen. Yes, children, write down the answer. Supratik, write it down in your notebook. Answer is 3, 9, 39. Akshad, you show me your notebook, Akshad. Okay. Yes, children. I hope you all have completed till here. So now I'll erase this one. If there is anyone who is still writing, raise hand option is there in the meeting. You can raise your hand and tell me that, yes, madam, I'm still writing. No one? Okay. Now, next question, bit number D. You have to add the number 52 and 1717. Okay, children, write down this one question in your notebook. You have to add the number 52 and 17. Okay. So again, what we will do? We will see what do we have in ones place and what do we have in tens place. Right? So if we talk about the number 52, in ones place we have 2 and in tens place we have 5 here. Okay. So in ones place we will write 2 and in tens place we will write here 5. Okay. After this plus sign we have number 1717. We have number 1717. So what we will do? Again in ones place below this 2 we will write 7 and in tens place we have 1. So below this 5 we will write here 1 and we will put a plus sign. Okay. Shri Hassan, you tell me 2 plus 7 is how much?
Ma'am.
Shri Hassan, tell me 2 plus 7 is how much? We will add number in ones place first.
2 plus 7, 9.
Very good. 2 plus 7 is 9. So children, write down 9 in ones place. Shrivas, you tell me. Now we will add the number in tens place. Shrivas, 5 plus 1 is how much?
5 plus 1. Ma'am, 6.
Very good. 5 plus 1 is 6. So write down the answer, everyone. This is 6, 9, 69. Answer is 6, 9, 69. Write down the answer. Okay. Yes, children, write down the answer fast. Is there anyone who is still writing? No one is writing. Okay. Now I'll erase this question. Yes, children, write down the next question. Bit number E.
Ma'am, should
Yes.
write in another page.
If space is not there, please use another page. Now the number is 19 plus 50. Number is 1919 and 50. So children, again first you have to see what do we have in ones place and what do we have in tens place. Okay. So if we talk about the number 19 children, 1919, in ones place we have 9 and in tens place we have 1 here. Okay. And if we talk about the number 50, in ones place we have 0, in tens place we have 5 here. So again we will write these numbers in ones and tens form. So in number 19, in ones place we have 9, so we will write here 9. If now in tens place we have 1, so below this T we will write here 1. Now after this plus sign we have the number 50. So in 50, in ones place we have 0, so below this 9 we will write here 0. And in tens place we have 5, so below this 1 we will write here 5 and we will put a plus sign. We will put a plus sign here. Okay children, now you have to add these numbers. CS Shreyan, yes CS Shreyan, you tell me. Here we have to add number in ones place and in ones place we have 9 and 0. So tell me 9 plus 0 is how much, CS Shreyan?
9.
Yes.
9,
See
ma'am.
children, very good CS Shreyan. If we add 0 to any number, that number will not change. Okay, remember this thing children. If you will add 0 to any number, that number will not change. So 9 plus 0 is 9. Okay, CS Shreyan, tell me 1 plus 5 is how much? After 1, start counting after 1 and take out your 5 fingers and tell me 1 plus 5 is how much? After 1, start counting after 1. Unmute yourself. Yeah, tell me 1 plus 5 is?
6.
Very good, 6. Very good, CS Shreyan. So children, the answer is 6, 9, 60. 9, 6, 9, 60. 9. Write down the answer in your notebook, everyone. Pathan said properly. Yes, so the answer is 6, 9, 60. 9. P. Kartika, write down the answer in your notebook. Yes, children, if you have any doubt, you can raise your hand and ask me. Raise hand option is there. Okay? Fine, I hope you all have completed your work till here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Very good. Next question. Bit number F, I guess. Okay, so now the question is, you have to add the number 38 and 21. So children, again, we have to find out first what do we have in ones place and what do we have in tens place. Okay, so if we will talk about the number 38, in ones place we have here 8 and in tens place we have here 3. Okay, so what we will do, in tens place we will write here 3 and in ones place we will write here 8. Now after this plus sign we have number 21. So in ones place we have here 1 and in tens place we have here 2. So what we will do, in tens place we will write here 2 and in ones place we will write here 1 and then we will put a plus sign. We will put a plus sign here. Okay. Ashrit Rao, you tell me 8 plus 1 is how much? We will add the number in ones place first. So tell me 8
Nine.
plus, very good. 8
Nine.
plus 1 is 9, Ashrit, very good. And 3 plus 2 is?
5.
Very good, Ashrit. And 3 plus 2 is 5. So children, answer is 5, 9, 50. 9, 5, 9, 50, 9. Write down the answer in your notebook, children. So the answer is 5, 9, 50, 9. Write down the answer in your notebook. Okay. Now we'll write down the next question. Is there anyone who is still writing? You can raise your hand. Or if you have any doubt, then you can raise your hand. Raise hand option is there. You can use that. No doubt. Yes, P. Kartika, tell me.
Ma'am, C bit and E bit not, D bit and C bit not come.
Signal problem. Signal problem, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. I'll share the notes with you. Okay, I'll be sharing notes with you. No problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, later on she can complete her notes. I'll share. Okay. Yes, children, write down the next question. Bit number G. You have to add the number 62 and 22. Children, write down the question. You have to add number 62 and 22. Again, what you will do, you have to see what do we have in ones place and what do we have in tens place, right? And according to that, you will write the numbers. If we'll talk about the number 62, in ones place we have 2 and in tens place we have 6. Right, children? So what we will do, Akshar, I can see you are not writing. What is this? Okay. And so what we will do in in ones place we will write down 2 and in tens place we will write here 6. Now see children, after plus sign what do we have? We have number 22. So again we will see in ones place what do we have and in tens place what do we have. So in ones place we have 2 here. So we will write down 2 and in tens place also we have 2. So we will again write down 2 and we will put a plus sign. We will put a plus sign. Yes, ABK Ganesh, you tell me 2 plus 2 is how much, ABK Ganesh? Yes, ABK Ganesh, 2 plus 2 is? 2 plus 2.
2 plus 2, 4.
Very good, 4. And ABK Ganesh, 6 plus 2 is how much?
8.
Very good, 8. Write down this answer in your notebook, children. So the answer is 8 for 84. Grade 1 का नहीं है कोई. Okay, ma'am. Okay, children. I hope you all have completed your work till here. Yes. So I'll clear this question now. Now, bit number H. Your question is, you have to add number 74 and 14. Okay, so you have to add 74 and 14. So again, children, you have to see first, what do we have in ones place and what do we have in tens place. Okay. Yes. Bilvika.
Ma'am.
Yes, Bilvika, tell me, if we talk about number 74, what do we have in ones place, Bilvika?
4.
Very good, 4. So in ones place, we will write here 4. And in tens place?
7.
Very good. Okay. After this plus sign, Bilvika, we have number 14. So tell me in ones place, what do we have in 14?
4.
Very good. So we will write 4 in ones place. And in tens place?
1.
Very good. So we will write here 1. And then we will put a plus sign here, children. Now, Bilvika, tell me quickly, 4 plus 4 is how much? 4 plus 4 is? Very good. 4 plus 4 is 8. Children, write down the answer. Very good. And 7 plus 1 is how much, Bilvika?
8.
Very good. So we will write here 8. Children, answer is 8, 8, 88. Very good, Bilvika. Children, write down the answer in your notebook. Answer is 8, 8, 88. Okay? Write down the answer in your notebook. Is there anyone who has any doubt? You can raise your hand. If there is anyone who has any doubt, you can raise your hand and you can ask. Yes, children, again I am repeating. If you have any doubt, you can raise your hand. Yes, Bilvika.
Ma'am, how many questions are there?
Till now, I think we did 8 questions. Bilvika, I think till now we did 8. Bilvika, now for this period, it's enough. We will not do any more questions.